KG class. I hope you are all fine. I am your teacher from International School of Cordoba. I am going to start our fourth lecture of maths. Open your maths book, page number 6. Topic is light, lighter, lightest. Light mean हल्का, lighter mean उससे भी हल्का, lightest mean सबसे हल्का. Let's look at these objects for light, lighter and lightest. Look at these pictures. What is this? Pouch. What is this? Pencil. What is this? Leaf. The pouch is light. The pencil is lighter. The leaf is lightest. इन पिक्स को देखें आप, इनमें से कौन सी चीज लाइट है, हल्की कौन सी चीज है? दिस वन इज लाइट, दिस वन इज लाइटर, दिस वन इज लाइटेस्ट. ये हल्की है, ये उससे भी हल्की है, ये सबसे हल्की चीज है. नेक्स्ट लाइन. What is this? Pineapple. What is this? Cake. What is this? Candy. Look at this picture. Which is the light picture in this? Which is light in this picture? Pineapple. Which is lighter in this picture? Cake. Cake is lighter. Which is lightest in this picture? Candy. Candy is lightest. Pineapple is light. Cake is lighter. Candy is lightest. Pineapple हल्का है, केक उससे भी हल्का है और कैंडी सबसे हल्की है. नेक्स्ट लाइन. Look at these pictures. What is this? Book. What is this? Razor. What is this? Pin. Which is the light in these pictures? This one. This one is light. Book is light. Which is lighter in this picture? Razor is. Which is lighter in this picture? Razor is lighter. Which is lightest in this picture? Pin is lightest. Book is light. Razor is lighter. Pin is lightest. Light, lighter, lightest. Next page. The topic is heavy, heavier, heaviest. Heavy mean भारी, heavier mean उससे भारी, heaviest mean सबसे भारी. Let's look at the objects for heavy, heavier and heaviest. Look at these pictures. What is this? Orange. What is this? Melon. What is this? Watermelon. Orange is heavy. Melon is heavier. Watermelon is heaviest. Orange mean Malta. Melon mean खरबूजा. Watermelon mean तरबूज. Orange is heavy. Melon is heavier. watermelon is the heaviest. Next line. Look at these pictures. What is this? Chair. Chair means kursi. What is this? Table. Table means maze. What is this? Cupboard. Cupboard means almari. This one is heavy. This one is heavier. This one is heaviest. इन पिक्स में से देखें हैवी चीज कौन सी है? चेयर. चेयर हैवी है. चेयर इज हैवी. उससे ज्यादा इन दोनों में से देखें कौन सी चीज हैवी है, भारी है? टेबल. टेबल इज हैवियर. और सबसे भारी इनमें से चीज कौन सी है? कबर्ड. कबर्ड इज हैवीएस्ट. सबसे हैवी जो भारी चीज होती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? हैवीएस्ट. भारी को हैवी, उससे भारी को हैवियर और सबसे भारी को हैवीएस्ट. नेक्स्ट लाइन. व्हाट इज दिस? बोतल. व्हाट इज दिस? बैट. व्हाट इज दिस? बैग. बोतल मीन बोतल. बैट मीन बल्ला. बैग मीन बस्ता. बोतल इज heavy. Bat is heavier. Bag is heaviest. इनमें से बोतल हैवी है. बैट जो है उससे ज्यादा, बोतल से ज्यादा भारी है इसलिए हैवी है. और ये बैग जो है ये बोतल और बैट से सबसे ज्यादा, इन दोनों में से, इन तीनों में से हैवी चीज है इसलिए इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? हैवीएस्ट. बोतल इज हैवी. बैट इज हैवियर एंड बैग इज द heaviest. Let's do an activity about this concept: light, lighter and lightest. Which is light in these pictures? Which is light? This one is light. This one is lighter. This one is lightest. Pouch is light. Pencil is lighter. And the leaf is lightest. ये हल्का है और ये पेंसिल उससे भी ज्यादा हल्की है और ये सबसे हल्का है इसलिए इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? lightest. This one is lighter. This one is light. Light, lighter, lightest. Activity. Let's do an activity about this concept: heavy, heavier, heaviest. Which is heavy? This one is heavy. This one is heavier. This one is heaviest. Heavy mean भारी. ये भारी गिलास है. और heavier mean उससे भारी ये जग है. और सबसे भारी ये वाटर कूलर है. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Now the lecture has completed. Your homework is activity book, page number 8 and page number 9. Do it on your activity book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.